Hello dear students, this is Alok sir. Hope you all are fine and enjoying your studies. In this video, I will explain some numerical problems based on refractive index. Refractive index tells that at what extent light will bend when it enters from one medium to another medium. I have written the formulas of refractive index in different ways. I will explain one by one as per the need of the question. First, see refractive index, that is nu equals to C over V, where C equals to velocity of light in vacuum and V equals to velocity of light in the given medium. This formula is also called absolute refractive index. Second is refractive index of medium 2 with respect to 1. I am repeating it again. Refractive index of medium 2 with respect to 1. It means when light enters from one medium to another medium, then what will be the refractive index? So it can be divided by refractive index of second medium to refractive index of first medium. And this is also called relative refractive index. That is refractive index of medium 2 with respect to 1 equals to, when velocity is given, it can be found by dividing velocity of light in medium 1 to velocity of light in medium 2. This formula is also called principle of reversibility. Means when light goes from one medium to another medium and then again returns back from second to first, then it can be found by using this formula. Refractive index of second medium with respect to first equals to 1 over refractive index of first medium with respect to second. And this relation is also called Snell's law, that is nu equals to sin I upon sin R. These are the formulas of refractive index. We will use one by one as per the need of the question. Now see the first question. I have taken it from the NCERT book. Light enters from air into glass having refractive index 1.5. What is the speed of light in glass? The speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. First try to solve it yourself by pausing the video, then see the solution. First try it, pause the video and try it. Okay, now see the solution. We will write the information provided by the question. So refractive index when light enters from, this is the interface, this is glass, enters from air into glass. This is air and this is glass. When light enter from air to glass, like that. This is the normal. Refractive index 1.5. Mu is given or nu is given 1.5. What is the speed of light in glass? We have to find velocity of light in glass, and velocity of light in air is given, that is C equals to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Now C is given, nu is given, we have to calculate V. We will use this formula. From above formula we know that nu equals to C over V, or C is given, C equals to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Nu is given, this is 1.5 upon V. So V equals to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second divided by 1.5, which is equals to 1.5. This will be 2. So velocity of light in glass equals to 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. this is how we have calculated the magnitude of velocity of light in glass by given information. So this is the formula we have used here. Now see the next question. Second question is that if the refractive index of glass for light going from air to glass is 3/2, find the refractive index for the light going from glass to air. And this question was asked in CBSE 2016. I have already explained that when light goes from first medium to second medium, then refractive index of second medium with respect to first, it is equals to, and also a condition is there, let this is interface, this is air and this is glass. See the explanation first. This is called principle of reversibility. When light enters from air to glass or from any other medium, this is medium 1, this is medium 2, and if a mirror is placed there, light will reflect on the same way. It will take the same path and return back. So when light comes from medium 1 to medium 2, means refractive index of medium 2 with respect to 1, and it will return back. The refractive index will be reciprocal of one another. Means this is 1/1 over refractive index of medium second with respect to medium first. This principle is called principle of reversibility. I am explaining it again. When light comes from medium 1 to medium 2 and again return back from 2 to 1, then reverse refractive index with respect to second medium, is refractive index of second medium with respect to first will be reciprocal. So in this condition, as the question demands, as the question says that when light comes from air to glass, so refractive index, that is light comes from A to G, that is refractive index of glass with respect to air, will be equals to 1 over refractive index of glass with respect to air, according to the principle of reversibility. And it is given refractive index of air with respect to glass is given, this is 3/2, and we have to find refractive index of glass with respect to air. So refractive index of glass with respect to air will be 1 over refractive index of air with respect to glass. See, the formula is being reciprocal. Now putting the value, that is refractive index of glass with respect to air will be 1 over 3/2. That is refractive index of glass with respect to air will be 2/3. This is called principle of reversibility. Means when light comes from medium 1 to medium 2 and refractive index of medium second with respect to 1 is given, if the light returns back, then refractive index will be reciprocal. This is the answer, and this is the principle of reversibility. Now see the next question. See the next question. The absolute refractive indices of water and glass are 4/3 and 3/2 respectively. find the, if the speed of light in glass is 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, calculate the speed of light in vacuum and water. And this question is very important, which was asked in 2015 CBSE. Write the information first. Refractive index of water and glass. We can write like that. Refractive index of air with refractive index of water with respect to air, or nu W equals to 4/3, or absolute refractive index of glass equals to 3/2. We can also write like that, 3/2. These are the information. One more information is given. The speed of light in glass, that is velocity of light in glass equals to 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. We have to calculate the speed of light in vacuum and water. We will use the formula N equals to C over V. We can modify the formula like that. If NW is given, this formula will be modified C upon VW. If NG is given, this formula will be modified like VG. First, we have to calculate the speed of light in vacuum. So this is N equals to C over V, or Ng equals to C over Vg, where C is the speed of light. So C equals to Vg into absolute refractive index of glass, and Vg equals to is given 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and absolute refractive index, that is, this is given 3/2. 2 will be cancelled out. C will be equals to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. This is the velocity of light. Now second question is that the speed of light in water. We will use this formula. Absolute refractive index of water equals to C over velocity of light in water, or velocity of light in water equals to C over refractive index of water. C is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and absolute refractive index of water is 4/3. 4/3. This is 4/3. 4/3. 3 will be, or this is 9/4 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, or 4 to ja 8 125. That is VW equals to 2.25 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. This is the velocity of light in water calculated by given information. So first you try to solve by yourself and then see the solution. Now see the next question. A ray of light strikes a glass slab at angle of incidence equal to 30 degree. Find the refractive index of glass such that the angle of refraction is 19.5. This question is from Snell's law, and this is very important question which was asked in CBSE 2015. Let this is glass slab. this is angle of incidence I equals to 30 degree, and R angle of refraction, which is equals to 19.5 degree. We will use the formula refractive index equals to sin I by sin R, and sin 30 is given sin, or it is also equals to sin 30 degree divided by sin 19.5 degree, and sin 30 degree is given and sin 19.5 degree also given. Sin 30 equals to 3 by 2 and 19.5 equals to 1 by 3. Sin 19.5 equals to 1 by 3, and sin 30 degree equals to 1 over 2. Putting these values, we will get nu equals to, this is the information provided by the question. So n equals to 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 3. So this is equals to 1 by 2 into 3 by 1, or n equals to 3 by 2, means refractive index equals to 1.5. This is the answer. This is the refractive index calculated by using Snell's law. These were the some questions based on refractive index, and in next part of the video, question will be based on lenses and refraction through lenses. Till then, enjoy your study and stay tuned.